Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how do you screen record on iPhone. Simply showing here to my screen record option. So some iPhone missing this option, so at first add screen record option. So now not showing here to screen record, simply click on to long press, add a control and find screen record. Okay, select, now add my screen recording option. So long press to open this. If you want to enable microphone, so on or off. Okay, and then click on to start recording. Okay, now start recording my screen and stop. Okay, now check. So look here, successfully record my screen.